the three types of bees there is.
Queen.
The queen bee,
The worker bee.
the worker bee, and the drone. And the drones, they stay in the beehive.
In the winter.
Yes. And then the queen stays inside the beehive.